Bring me back tonight to the place we're meant to be, where your arms hold the light, safe and endlessly. Bring me back tonight.
So to make AI music, just come to ChatGPT and write out this prompt. First, I went to YouTube and I got a song I really liked, and I came here to say, create another but similar lyrics using the video link below. It's a song by Sophia Carson. It's titled Come Back Home. Then I placed the link, the YouTube link of that song that I got from YouTube. Okay, so I'm just going to be sending this to asking ChatGPT to create a lyrics for me, a similar lyrics from that original song. Okay, and here is the song ChatGPT created for me. So this is the lyrics of the song. Bring me back tonight, Unfading Stars. It has verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and the rest. Bridge, final chorus. You can imagine. So this is it. So now I'm going to be giving out another prompt to ChatGPT. Here I'll be saying, give me just one style prompt for the lyrics above to be used in Suno AI. Okay, so the thing is, we're going to be using Suno AI to generate our music. Okay, so and then Suno AI is going to be asking for a style prompt. So we need to know the style prompt for the song, the lyrics of the song that ChatGPT just sent to us. All right. So now after this, I'm going to copy the song. Okay, so this is me just copying the song. I'm going to copy the song, the lyrics of the song, and then I'm going to go to Suno AI. Okay, so now I'm just going to go to my Google, and then I'm just going to search for Suno AI, and let's just dive in. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is it. This is Suno AI logo. So once you see something like this, that's Suno AI. Okay, so it will bring you here. For me, these are the songs I've generated already. So tap on this downside where you are seeing the arrow. Okay, and then it will bring you here. All right, so it will bring you here where you can enter your own lyric style of music. So remember this costume, where the arrow is facing, that costume, if you switch it off, you'll not be able to write create your own song. So just switch it on. Okay, once you switch it on, it will tell you to enter your own lyrics, your own style of music, and the rest. So make sure it's switched on. Okay. So the lyrics we got, I'm going to bring it here, and then I'm going to remove all these pre-chorus, chorus, verse, and the rest, because this when AI is going to generate the song, it's going to be singing, it's going to say chorus inside. So we have to remove all of that. All right. So now I'm going to go to the style of music. Like I said, it's going to ask you for the style of music. So the one that we got from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go to my ChatGPT right here to get the style of music. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is the style prompt for Suno AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. All right, so let me copy that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it on that style of music there. All right, so that's what I'm just going to do. So I'll just do that now. Okay, so now I've done that. So now I want to erase the name Sophia Carson and the rest. I need to erase those names so that they can know that it's an original music I want to create. All right. So erase the names of the musicians they placed there in your prompt. Okay, your style prompt. So here I'm going to write the title of the song. Okay, title of the song is Bring Me Back Tonight. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on create. After this, it's so simple, and then just tap on create and they will start, sooner AI will start generating your song for you. I mean, it is not really simple. This is really, really, really simple. Okay, so I'm going to be playing the first song for us. Let's hear the song. Okay, so let me play the first song. Okay, let's see. I'll play the first and the second song.
Under fading stars, I whisper your name. In the quiet of the night, nothing feels the same. Your echo lingers in the shadow of my mind, counting endless miles. I'm running out of time. Bring me back tonight to the place we're meant to be, where your arms hold the light, safe and endlessly. Bring me back tonight.
I'm going to play the second one now, okay?
Often nothing feels the same.
Of course, I'm going to go with the first song. I don't like the second one. The second one is too somehow. So I'm going to go to the first one, tap on that three dots up there, and then on the first song, and go to download, and then you'll be able to download your music. Okay, so you need to upgrade to need commercial right and all of that. But me, I'm just going to download anyway. So that is it. Our song has been downloaded. So this is how to generate your music. So now we are going to create our image. Okay, so just come to image fx. Here we're going to generate our image. All right, so this is it. Google Labs image fx. Okay, so just tap on that and then it is going to bring you here. So here, this is where we're going to be fixing in our prompt for to generate our image. All right. So here I'm going to go to the settings and I'm going to be setting it best quality, the portrait landscape. No, I want it to be in portraits. Okay. So let me put it at 9:16. All right. So now we're going to move back to input instead of settings. So now I'm going to be, fixing in my prompts for the image I want. All right. So this is the prompts, and then this is the image generated for me. I mean, this is not just lovely. This is just beautiful. This is a lady on a stage singing with a guitar in her hand. Okay, and then I generated this one as well. This image as well. This is not just lovely. So now we're going to be going to HeyGen AI. Here we're going to be animating the image we just created. Okay, and then we're going to be lip syncing. So we can see create AI lip sync videos. So that's where we're going to tap on the HeyGen, right? So go to get started for free. So of course it has a paid version, it has a free version. So this is the image. So tap on it and then go to AI avatar, IVAI avatar, and then we'll upload the image here. They say we should upload the audio. I'm going to upload an audio from your file, or you can even record an audio, anyone you want to do. But I already have an audio here that I got from Suno AI, remember? So I'm just going to be adding the audio. Once that is added, we are going to go to, they said describe the gestures and facial expressions you want. Okay, so I'm just going to be describing what I want her to be doing, okay, as she's singing. All right, so now she's singing here. I'm going to be writing she's singing passionately and demonstrating. So this is it, and then I'm going to tap on generate video. Once you tap on generate video, your video will start generating, start loading. Okay, so it will bring us here. All right, and then let's see. I mean, this is not just lovely. AI is really doing amazing things. Okay, so and our video has been generated, so I'll just play it now.
To the place we're meant to be, where your arms hold the light, safe and endlessly. Bring me back tonight.
Wow, is it not just amazing? Please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, please, and just get ready for a lot of amazing content on AI. Thank you.
Bring me back tonight to the place we're meant to be, where your arms hold the